Hello, we're here with week 6 against the Birds. He has not brought Mega Altaria, which I'm pretty happy about because that's a scary mon. So, Staraptor, Zapdos Galar, Gliscor, Corviknight, Moltres, Galar, and Rotom. So, just got to be careful of really like Zapdos, Corviknight, and Moltres potentially being like weakness policy sweepers. Don't know if I want to lead Torn. I feel like Rotom could be a lead. Probably want to keep Ordino alive for Moltres. Do I just want to lead Ordino? I think so. I'm just worried about leading Torn and then him leading Rotom and just getting like a burn on one of my Pokemon. So yeah, let's lead Ordino. I think, yeah, Wincons are the same. Cryogonal, if I can get rid of Corviknight, and yeah, Tornadus can do it as well once Rotom has a bit of trip. So yeah, let's lead Ordino. Zapdos, okay, good. Right, I'm going to Mega Evolve, and I guess for agilities that could be bad. What do I do to it? On a Thunderbolt. I think I just want a Draining Kiss. So if he agilities and weakness policies, I live any +2 hit, don't I? Yeah, so that's okay. Yeah, that's just Draining Kiss. Return is fine. Let's calc. Okay, Corva's not lefties, right. 7.5 to 8, that did 7.6, so yeah, it's not banded. Could be Scarf. What did I do to Corv? 7, so it's probably especially defensive. Yeah. Okay, I think we just go Tornadus. That did a lot. Oh, mad. Okay, that's just the damage it does. Right. Yeah, Zapdos isn't banded, so that's good. So my Heat Waves. How much did it lose? Lost that 11%. I think I just want to go Electros. Get some nice chip on Corv. And click U-turn, I think. Get a nice slow U-turn off. Stays in, that's fine. Ooh, okay, glad that Mega Atari did not come. That's scary. High score, nice. Okay, good. May as well just see what sort of set it is. Doing Metros versus high score. U-turn did 4, so I think that's like max physical bulk. What the hell? That did 4. The minimum I can do is 4.5. Did it 0 IV my attack or something? No. Okay. Why is 4? Is it just rounded down? I don't know. Either way, it's probably max physical bulk. Right. Ordino. Yeah, Ice Beam should okay. Okay, let's just go back to Ordino. Click Ice Beam. Okay, I think that's okay. I'll take that trade. It's normal coverage. They all, for some reason, get ridiculous coverage. But nice, Mega Ordino kills another red tier. Right, just need to. It's Zapdos's Scarf, which is good. I mean, I should live any hit Star Raptor wants to do. Mega Ordino is so fucking good. 66 to 78, banded Star Raptor Brave Bird. I think I want to keep you alive. Yeah, I do still want you for Galarian Moltres, I think. I think it's okay just to go Gigalith. Just to see what it wants to do, given there's no Gliscor now. Get a bit of chip. Okay, that is banded. I believe. Double edge, yeah. Start is banded. Okay, so Corv is specially defensive. I don't know if I just want to get a kill with. Does Stone Edge kill? It should. Does it kill like Zapdos? It's got a good chance. Yeah, I think I just want to try and get a kill here. Come on, please hit. Please hit. Oh, drill. For goodness, not drill, Gigalith. For goodness sake. Right, well, I can just click Thunder. I think I just want a U-turn again. What do I want to do here? Oh, that's so annoying. I think I'm happy to go Torn and then just go straight back into Electros, regen back up to full. Okay, that's Thunder Wave. Okay, good. Give me some paras. Nice. I mean, I'll say sorry, but we take those. I think I'd have lived anything. But yeah, means Eel gets to stay healthy. Okay, that's good. The defensive core is gone. Do I live a hit? I don't know. $74 to $87. Unlikely. I mean, yeah, he can just click double edge, can't he? Just thinking here. I think Eel is useful to keep alive. But so's Gigalith for Moltres, really. I mean, we could live a hit as well. I think, yeah, hit Scarf, so Dino can take a hit from Zapdos as well, so I think I'm okay to keep for Eel to die. Let's just Thunderbolt. Yeah, it does die. Okay, that's alright. Thank you for your services, Electros. I think I just want to go you and get pressure on. Get the rocks up. I think I just want to go smack down for the damage. Okay. Still won't be worried about Moltres. Oh my god, Smackdown nearly killed him. Yeah, I think we just gotta let you go. Oh shit, okay. Hopefully something's getting huge damage. Just gonna kill. Nice. Take that. Yeah, I'm just gonna attack because even if it agilities, X control will be. Oh no, X control won't be faster, but I'll have. I should have like Ice Shard in the back with sand as well. What does Excadrill do? $77 to $92. I think I just want to Calm Mind. Oh, I can Sword Stance actually, can't I? Yeah, I think I'll do that. Just gotta hope Rock Blast hits once I've Sword Stanced. Come on, Rock Blast. Oh, Design Head kill. Am I being... Am I risking something I don't need to risk? 88. Yeah, I should be okay. I think I'm just gonna Iron Head. Did kill. Okay, nice. You are Scarf. I'm just gonna click Iron Head. Brave Bird probably kills me anyway, but yeah, Ordino can definitely take a hit, and Cryogonal is faster, so yeah, I think we're okay. Some nice lucky paralysis turns, but that's why you do it. That's what you want to happen, and we take those. Cool. Let me just go and click Draining Kiss. Nice, maybe Ordino gets another kill. Cool, GG. Yeah, GG Diakaze. Yeah, mono teams are pretty hard, but yeah, I got a bit lucky with the paralysis turns. I'm not sure how much it mattered. Like, I don't think like a +2 body press probably still wasn't doing much to Electros from like, it was especially defensive Corviknight as well, wasn't it? Yeah, +2 is doing like 60. I think I just sacked it after that. So yeah, but anyway, good game. And yeah, we're 4-2 now. We're rolling on. Got a good bit of momentum. Hopefully we can keep this up and keep the playoff run going. All right, see ya.